Have you ever noticed that in every stock market movie, the brokers and the bankers are the one getting filthy rich, but the small investors and the new investors are the suckers? Now, there is a reason for that. And the reason is that the small investors and the new investors are the suckers. That's right. Have you ever heard of the term pump and dump? I'm sure you're familiar with it, right? Now, the brokers, the media, the lawyers, the companies, they go to great lengths pumping their stocks, right? Now, at first, you might be skeptical, right? You hear of this new company and it's going to be the greatest opportunity of the year, and you at first don't invest in the company. But then the media jumps in and they pump and they pump and they talk about the stock, and they talk about a teenager in South Dakota who turned his allowance into $5 million, and now you pay attention, right? Now you start, doing some research. Now you don't invest all your money right away, right? At first you put $500 just to test the waters. And what happens? Before you know it, you turn those $500 into $700. Now comes regrets. Now you regret that you didn't invest more. Now, the companies and the brokers, they make money out of the transactions, right? If there is no transactions, they don't make money. So they have to pump the stocks, the companies. And they do this sometimes for days, weeks, months, and even years. They pump it, they pump it. Sometimes they cook the books, right? Because they know how to trick people. Now, the next time there is a pullback, now you're not going to invest the $500 because you think, hey, it's that easy. People are making thousands of dollars in this company, so I'm going to invest everything I have. I'm going to put the $3,000 I have in my broker's account. And there you go. Boom. The media keeps pumping. The media keeps pumping. And one morning, right, as soon as the market opens, around 9:30, 9:15, you see the stock price going up. You see, and you say, this is it. This is it. This is the big hit. You get excited. And at 9:16, right, you see this, the stock price starts declining. And you're in denial, right? You say, nah, I can't be. This is the greatest opportunity ever. And you wait and you wait, bam, and it starts dropping 5%. You say, well, this is just a healthy, pullback. And you get some more money and you invest it, right? You go ahead and you buy 100 shares, another 100 shares. You invest another $2,000 because, it can't be. This is the greatest opportunity ever. You heard that in the news, and people talk about it in the chat rooms, the blogs. This is it. Now it's time for the big guys to cash out. Bam! Before you know it, you're 50% down. What happened, you may ask? Well, that's because you are the sucker, my friend. I'm telling you, I'm here trying to warn you. If you are a new investor, then I'm here to help you not to create those bad habits. And if you've been trading for some time now and you don't see the results, the consistent income that you want to get out of the stock market, then I'm here to help you out. So before you place another order in the stock market, I want you to think. I want you to think, my friend. Listen, the brokers, the people with the big money, right? The piles of cash. They do this in cycles, right? They pump, it drops, they dump it on you, and they repeat, and they repeat, and they make money on the way up and on the way down, right? Now I'm telling you, I'm trying to, if you watch my videos, I'm all about patience. Okay? You need to look for the inconsistencies, right? You need to find the news cycles. You got to do your research. You got to understand the company that you want to invest your money in well. You got to understand it in and out, because you have to remember, whenever you buy some shares, you're buying a piece of ownership in that company. Listen, you have to do your research. You have to wait. Okay, if you buy houses to flip, you gotta find a good deal, because you gotta sell, you gotta flip the house, you gotta make a profit. Now, if you're buying the hype, if you're buying the peak, you're too late, my friend. But don't worry. Forget about the fear of missing out. I want you to take a break. If you're not getting the results that you want, I want you to take a break. I want you to clear your mind from any negative experience that you had, and I want you to start all over, clean slate, fresh. I want you to have understanding. Consider this a reminder of not, so that you don't chase, so that you don't buy the peak, so that they don't dump the stock on you. It's easier to blame the market, to blame Wall Street. Okay, they're manipulating the stock price, the system is fixed, blah, blah, blah. You could do all of that. Or you could have the right attitude, the right mentality. And I keep saying it over and over again. My friend, you're a salesman. Why? Because you're buying, as a trader, you buy shares, options, contracts, future, whatever. You buy them to flip them later on. Okay, so you gotta find the best good deal possible. And in order for you to achieve that, you have to wait for the right opportunity. It takes discipline to just wait for the right setup. It takes discipline for the right setup. Okay? Either if you want to short and you're waiting for that bubble, for the next bubble, and then you buy at the very, very peak for you to short, that's good. If you wait for a cycle or something really bad, news report came out and people overreact and they drop, everybody, in fear starts selling, and you're waiting for the right setup, and then you buy, and then there's a reversal, the stock went up $10, and then you make a good profit. That's the way to do it. Like I said, everybody wants to be the best trader there is, but not everybody's willing to invest in their attitude, their mentality, their psychology, the psychology of the trade, It's better to make a huge, good, big, juicy trade a year that's gonna make you a lot of money than to make 200 trades a week and just break even. It doesn't matter. Try not to put labels on yourself, right? People say, okay, I'm a day trader, so I must trade every day. Okay, I'm a strength trader, so I gotta, every 5 days I gotta come up with a big, check. It's not about that. The end result is to make money, to earn money at the end of the year. So it's good to wait for the right setups. I see it a lot. I see if you go to any chat room, anything that talks about stock, you will always see the trending stocks, and they change constantly, right? In the trending stocks, and there is always a new trend, a new hot company that's gonna make you money. And like I said, people pump, boom, drop it on you. Sometimes when people pump a stock, it's because they already own it. Okay, and you got to understand the motives. I would do it too. I'm not gonna tell you buy this stock cheap right now if I don't own it yet, because okay, the price is gonna go up and I'm not gonna make money. So sometimes the one pumping the stock already owns the stock. They're gonna drop it on you. Analyze every movie, my friend, any documentary. You see who is the one making the big piles of cash. You know, it's the people with the inside information, with the billions of dollars to control the market, with the edge, with the right setup. So you don't fall for that. You wait for. You go with the trend, right? The trend is very important, right? The trend is your friend, but you gotta know when. If a stock, if price been is up 50%, my friend, the risk reward, you know, percent ratio is there's an imbalance there. Okay, don't fall for it. Okay, I've been saying it a lot. I work with the psychology of the trade, the strategies. I give you good stock market strategies. Okay, I'm trying to wake you up. I'm warning you. I'm teaching you the right way. It's better if you understand the psychology of the trade. It's better if you develop a good strategy. You wait for the right setup, the right opportunity. Sometimes you need someone like me to wake you up, my friend. Listen, at the end of the day, all you want is to make money, plain and simple. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch and benefit from more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. And Bulls and Bears, I'll see you in the next one.